if I were to be making a trade right now, I would not be buying right here. And I'll tell you why. Because it's not definite, it's not for sure what we're about to do. We haven't hit a strong enough support to know that we're just going to have heavy and strong momentum. Like back here, we knew we hit the support down here. Now, it might look like we hit that support, but no, we went all the way down. It's just that since it's the 15-minute chart, it was such a short amount of time there that our candlestick hit the bottom of that support. That's why it looks so thin. But if you look at the 5-minute chart, you can actually see the candlestick hit that support at the Fibonacci retracement of 8C2150 very, very briefly. So since it hit that, that showed that we had strong support there, but we haven't hit a strong enough support to know whether or not we should, make that next move. So what I'm waiting for here with this trade is for us to hit that momentum wave band. Notice the momentum wave band is right here at the bottom, right where our equilibrium price point is. So I can take away our supply and demand area. You can see our equilibrium price point is right there, and I can take away the momentum wave band as well. Our equilibrium price point is around 8Z2350, right around where I got out at. So I'm not trying to buy where I got out at. I'm trying to buy lower than what I got out at, because that's where, the gains are typically made. But we got that, and then we got our supply and demand area. So that's where the bullish movements are typically going to be at. And since I got out a little bit below 8Z2350, I got out around 8Z2340. So if I were to buy it again, I'm not buying any until I see it getting below that area. So what I'm looking for is at the top of the bottom of this momentum wave band. This bottom momentum wave band, I want to get in at around the top area of it, which is around 8Z2289, 8Z2290. So I'm trying to get in around 8Z2290, maybe 8Z2289. And if it can go a little bit lower than that, 8Z2200 or back down at 8Z2140. Now, with all the updates that they're doing, especially with the whole Binance promo thing, I think there's a possibility that we don't go down that low. So I might miss an opportunity to trade it. But I have my specific trading strategy, and I don't like to swerve off that strategy. That's why I took not necessarily a loss, but that's why I decided to not make as many gains on this trade, because my strategy told me to sell out right here. But I could have kept holding, but I was like, no, the strategy says to sell out here. So I'm going to listen to the strategy. So that's what I did. Now the strategy is telling me do not buy, even if it looks like it could go up. Now, this right here does not look strong. For some reason, this doesn't look strong. This looks like it's about to curve downwards. It doesn't look like a strong increase in the price. It doesn't look strong enough in my personal opinion. And we just got a big red candlestick. So, yeah, it doesn't look strong enough for me to buy. I think we're gonna go down to 8C2360, somewhere around there. It might make the move to try to get above there, but it also might not. So personally, I'm waiting until 8C2290 and below. Really, I want to say 8C2280, but anywhere below 8C2290 is a good buying price for me. So that's essentially what I'm waiting for this. That's what I'm waiting for.